Hi, in this video we are going to understand about the optional of and optional of nullable. So basically optional it will used to in Java for checking out value is present or not, and mainly focus on null pointer exception. So currently we understand optional of. Currently we have string instance and its value is test. Optional of your pass value of string. Now we run this program. Now programming is running. Now it will help optional of if we require and know its value is not null. We are confirmed sure its value never come to null. So if value is null, then stop the execution immediately. So that time optional of it is used. And now next is optional of nullable. Of nullable. Optional of nullable it is used when we doesn't know coming value is nullable or not. So if value is come in a null or null, then our executions not stop. So main difference of optional of and optional of nullable is now currently in of nullable when we implement, then there is no exception throw, and we can also has method to check out is present is empty. Now I run this program and check out. So code is runnable. So main difference of optional of and optional of nullable is that optional of it is break and stop the program execution immediately when coming value is a nullable null, and optional of nullable it is a not stop execution of code. So that is main difference of optional of and optional of nullable.